We live in Kharkov, Ukraine. It is winter, and after shelling in the city there is no electricity and heating. We have electric stove and we can't make food. It's just useless. See, not working. But we have prepared. I will now show you how we solve the problem of cooking and electricity and heating in the apartment. Buy the gas cylinder for 5 liters. We're preparing food. I have collected a lithium battery for 100 ampere. It was connected by an inverter of 1000 watts. I connect to this battery and inverter the backup electricity of the apartment. Backup lighting, laptop, phones are all connected to the battery. The refrigerator is connected to the solar panels on the balcony. I will show you how we survive without heating. I connect to the battery the electrical sheet that heats the bed at night. Includes inverter and incorporates sheet into first mode. Let us measure what current consumes the sheet from the battery. Let us use the current indicator. Connected current indicator as can be seen 4A. It is estimated that the battery of 100 amperes is enough for 25 hours. But if you use it for 1 hour at night and for 1 hour in the morning, enable for 10 days. In addition, I charge my battery from the solar panel on the balcony. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. All bye.